Acute toxicity effects of malathion on acetylcholine esterase activity in Carassius auratus, Linnaeus, 1758, and Bhotia striata, Narayan Rao, 1920. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Fishes serve as bioindicators for water pollution. The increase in pesticides such as malathion use in response to agricultural demands poses a risk to non-target organisms, including fish. This chapter deals with the study on malathion's impact, a pesticide prevalent in Kerala and other Indian states, on acetylcholinesterase (ACE) activity in Carassius auratus and Bhotia striata. Both species were exposed to 0.34 ppm malathion for 48, 72, and 96 hours, followed by a 10-day recovery period. ACE activity was measured using Ellman's method. Statistical analysis of the observation was done using the online Jeffreys Amazing Statistics Program, JASP. In 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3 ppm concentrations of malathion, the mortality rate observed was 90, 50, 20, 10, and 5%. Control groups exhibited the highest ACE activity in brain and muscle, with moderate levels in liver and kidney. After 72 hours of exposure, C. auratus showed a significant brain ACE activity decline from 7.2 to 1.8, while B. striata decreased from 5.7 to 1.4. During recovery, C. auratus's activity rose to 5.26 and B. striata's to 4.46 by day 15. However, C. auratus's kidney ACE activity fluctuated, and in B. striata, ACE activity exhibited abnormal recovery patterns. These results underscore malathion's neurotoxic effects on aquatic life and potential environmental and biodiversity risks. The continuous use of another organophosphate pesticide, endosulfan, has caused adverse human health effects, including chromosomal abnormalities and genetic mutations, potentially transmissible across generations. Likewise, the prolonged use of malathion can cause an irreversible hazardous situation. The study highlights the urgent need for regulatory measures to mitigate malathion's environmental and public health risks. Introduction. Malathion is a commonly used pesticide that helps protect crops like rice and wheat from harmful insects. Although it helps increase food production, it can also harm the environment and living beings, especially aquatic life. Malathion affects fish differently depending on their age, size, and surroundings. It works by blocking an important enzyme in the nervous system, which can lead to serious health problems or even death in fish. Goldfish and other freshwater species are often used by scientists to monitor water pollution because they are very sensitive to changes in their environment. While malathion breaks down quickly in nature and is less harmful than some banned pesticides, it still poses risks. This highlights the need for safer and more eco-friendly pest control methods to protect both our health and the environment. Conclusion. This study looks at how the pesticide malathion, widely used in agriculture, affects fish and the aquatic environment. Malathion interferes with a brain chemical called acetylcholine, which is important for nerve function. During short-term exposure, this chemical's activity drops, especially in the brain and muscles, but it may recover after 72 hours as the pesticide breaks down. However, continuous exposure to malathion and other harmful pesticides like endosulfan can cause long-term damage, including cancer, organ damage, and genetic changes that may pass to future generations. These toxic substances build up in water bodies, putting fish, other aquatic creatures, and even humans at risk through the food chain. The study emphasizes the urgent need to regulate pesticide use more strictly and monitor water quality regularly. Without such precautions, pesticide pollution could cause lasting harm to aquatic biodiversity and overall ecosystem health. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.